I got my start in real estate when I was 19. There were so many things to learn. It was overwhelming. All of the contracts, the processes, the procedures, pricing property, and most importantly, the question that always came top of mind: how would I generate leads and a consistent income? I knew I had to do something to overcompensate for my age and lack of a proven track record in real estate sales. This is what I did. I realized that if I could sound like I knew what I was talking about, it would help me cover up my inexperience. I immersed myself in learning the contracts inside and out and got around other people who'd already established a proven track record. And most importantly, I became a student of the language of real estate. In short, I was obsessed with learning scripts. My name is Todd Smith. I'm the founder of Premier Real Estate Academy, a coaching and training company focused on empowering realtors through the development of solid sales skills while strengthening their mindset, which leads to higher levels of productivity and profit. Here's what I realized. I could build credibility with potential buyers and sellers when I not only knew what to say, but how to say it. As I acquired more business, my level of confidence increased and things began to get rolling. If there's one thing that I've taken seriously over the years, of course, again, since 1991, it's been practicing my sales skills, specifically communication skills. As you know, we only get one chance to make a good first impression with a new prospect. The sooner we can get the words out of the way, in other words, out of our heads and speak from our hearts, the more likely we are willing to engage in some type of lead generation and as a result, generate not just more income, consistent income. Needless to say, when you know what to say, our fears begin to diminish. When you decide to attend this event, you will learn exactly what to say and how to say it, as well as tips and strategies to help sharpen your sales skills while dramatically boosting confidence. All of the topics that we'll cover together are listed on this page below the video. At the end of the day, the agent that can consistently create higher level conversations with prospects and their clients will also have a higher level of success and income. When you have the right approach, you will begin seeing results. These results will replace what was once fear with confidence and a desire to keep winning, moving your business forward, and ultimately closer to your goals and dreams. Agents of all levels of experience will benefit. Newer agents and those with 30+ years in the business. No matter what your experience level is, you are going to walk away with value. Learn scripts, tips, and strategies, all designed to take what you're doing now to the next level. I guarantee it. This isn't going to be just another class. It's real-world real estate training with one purpose: to give you the confidence and skills to achieve your goals. No fluff, no wasting time, real content that will deliver results. Again, below is a list of all the topics covered at the event. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to having you join us at one of our upcoming workshops.